Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If this is the first time you're joining us, I'm Sheldon, the founder of Exotic Mods, and this over here is my 2005 Porsche Cayman S 6-speed manual. This was my first Porsche back in 2008. I bought the car in 2008 and we actually did it up and made it our show car, demo car, and eventually even a time attack car. But then we got busy doing other projects and we unintentionally neglected this car. So now, if you watch our previous episode, you will know that this car has been abandoned for 8 years. So today is a very exciting day because we're going to start it up after 8 years for the first time. But before that, we decided to do a thorough check on the engine to make sure that everything is okay before we crank it up for the first time. And true enough, we found a very dirty mass airflow sensor. This one has been collecting dust for 8 years, so I guess it's only right to just clean it up and fix it back before we start it up. Okay guys, what do you think? Do you think this car will start up? I hope so. I'm really excited. Sounds good. Well, there's some vibration coming underneath thing, but looks like we gotta fix that up. And yeah, we got it all started up. The car is idling well. Just started. It started pretty beautifully, except there was some slight hesitation during the idle and also hissing noise coming up from the engine compartment. That's pretty good considering that it was abandoned for 8 years. Right, so basically what was causing that noise is actually, we found out that it's actually the Air Oil Separator. For most Porsche cars, you actually get this, and in this car it looks like this, right? So what was wrong is this part inside here, the diaphragm inside here, was most probably leaking. Okay, this guy is actually responsible to actually funnel the fumes, the vapors from the crankcase back into the intake manifold and into the combustion chamber to be burned again. Okay, and that will actually reduce the emissions, the emission standards, right? So basically, what we could hear and we could see some little bit of oil actually inside these holes. Okay, when the hose connecting to this part actually is a little bit oily, it means that the diaphragm has actually failed. Okay, and if you actually notice some blue smoke coming out from your car, then it's most probably this guy, right? And it's actually not good if you don't replace it as soon as possible, because it will actually foul up your spark plugs and potentially damage the engine. So yeah, this guy is really important. So do not neglect this guy. Alright, then so once we change this, give us a few more minutes. Okay, we'll change this up and we'll go start it again for the last time today. Okay. Alright guys, we've installed the new air oil separator into the car. Okay, and so yeah, before we start it up for the second time, I'm just gonna do a quick thorough scan using our PIWIS 3 Porsche Diagnostic to just scan it through to check if there are any error codes that are unexpected. But looks like everything is okay. It's done. So all the fault codes are actually as per expected. Right. So I guess it's safe for us to actually start the car for the second time. Right. Let's do the second start. Yes, looks like she is idling well. Wow, it started up so nicely this time. I'm so glad it idles perfectly. No funny noises, no hissing sound anymore. Alright guys, looks like we have to call it a day for today. Thank you for your time for watching our videos. Also, please do press the subscribe button and also give us a like if you like our video today. Do follow us for more progress on restoring this baby into its glory days again. I'll see you guys